Dear students, in our previous video, we have seen that a simple sentence consists of the simple structure of one subject and one predicate. That means there is only one subject in that sentence and also one predicate. What do you mean by a predicate? This question should be aroused in your mind. Predicate means everything except the subject. Predicate begins with usually verb followed by object, complement, or adjunct. That is called as predicate. For example, in this sentence, Raghav bought a motorbike. Bought a motorbike is the predicate. Bought is a verb and a motorbike is object. Whereas in the second sentence, the market is closed due to lockdown. Is closed due to is a predicate. This portion of the sentence, this part of the sentence is called predicate. Is closed, this is the verb. Due to lockdown, it's adjunct. It's an adjunct. So predicate means everything remaining except the subject. Okay. Now simple sentence means simple thing. One subject plus one predicate. But not all the sentences are simple. Most of the sentences are compound or complex sentence. Compound or complex sentence means a sentence that may have more subject and predicate. Now sometimes what happen, there could be only one subject and two predicates. For example, in this sentence, Raghav bought a motorbike in 2002 and sold it next year. In this sentence, we could say that there is only one subject and the remaining portion is predicate. Okay. This whole underlined portion is predicate, but we are committing a mistake. Okay. In this sentence, this is the subject and this is one predicate. Okay. And this is another predicate from sold to year. This is the second predicate. But both these predicates, they are connected to Raghav. They are connected to Raghav for its subject. Okay. Means these there could be two sentences which we have merged here. Now the first sentence, what could be the first sentence? Okay, I'll write it here. Raghav bought a motor bike. Okay, short form. And second sentence, what could be the second sentence? Raghav sold the motorbike next year. Okay. These are two sentences. But these two sentences are mixed here and there is formed one sentence. There is formed one sentence. This whole one sentence. The subject in both the sentences is same and that's why they are having one subject but there are these two different predicates. Okay, so this is not a simple sentence, this is a compound sentence connected by and. So now, okay, now we'll clear it all. In this sentence, Raghav bought a motorbike in 2002 and sold it next year. Okay, in these in this sentence there are this is the first predicate and this is the second predicate. What is our formula? What is our definition for simple sentence? There should be one subject and one predicate. But here there is one subject and two predicates. So this is not a simple sentence. This is not a simple sentence. This is a compound sentence. So we now come to understand that a sentence having more than one subject and predicate are called as complex or compound sentence. More than one subject and predicate structure. Such a sentence is either a complex sentence or compound sentence. Depends. Now, this is the further stage. Understanding of compound or complex, this is the further stage. We are not going to understand this at this present moment. Okay. Now, the second sentence. The market is closed due to lockdown, so we did not get the grocery. This is the second sentence. This is the second sentence. Okay, yeah. The market is closed due to lockdown, so we did not get the grocery. In this sentence, notice how many subjects are there. In this earlier sentence, there was only one subject. But in the second sentence, how many subjects are there? The market is closed due to lockdown. This is the first. This is the first subject predicate structure, and here we did not get the grocery. This is the second subject predicate structure. In this sentence there are two different subjects, the market and we, and there are two different predicates, is closed due to lockdown and did not get the grocery. Okay, understood? These are two different subjects and these are two different predicates combined here, and that's why this is a compound sentence. Okay, not a simple sentence. Okay, you should understand the things clearly up to here. If you want to repeat the video in order to understand it, you may repeat it. Okay, we will continue in the next video.